Hey guys, so today I'm making my dog food. So this is turkey meat lean. This is Dr. Harvey's Paragard mix. There's some collard greens that I cooked with the lean turkey meat. I just got Gracie's chicken heart delights. Chicken hearts are small, but yeah, I got the 1 pound, or was it? Yeah, well, this one's, yeah, a 1 pound bag. Just cooked brown rice with black beans. For the additives, it'd be coconut oil with oil of oregano, a capful of the black seed oil, a drizzle of the salmon oil blend, the Pau de Arco. I give her 10 drops of that, 10 drops of the echinacea, 10 drops of the Vitality Science Herbal Anti. That's it for like the liquid stuff. Then I sprinkle on top, I just got this one, the chicken flavor Doggy Delights. Turmeric, I sprinkle a lot of that with the black pepper to activate it. I bought her Blood Sprinkles Beef Flavor by King Lou. She loves that one. So that's Lulu. She has cancer. I'll put her GoFundMe in the description of the video. That's Coco. She loves to just, eat. Say bye, Lulu.